Tomatoes, so many ways of working with them. Drying, one of my favorites. Why? Because drying intensifies flavor. Plum tomatoes or Roma tomatoes are fleshy, but less fruity. They're ideal for sauces. I want to get to the point of leathery skins and almost with a dry bite, locking all the sugars in and all the tomato flavor. No pulp, just the flesh. For flavor, natural herbs, but all on the bottom of the rack. Cherry tomatoes, they're so sweet, almost like grapes. I want to intensify that flavor by slow roasting them, drying them a bit, caramelizing all those sugars. Can I see those?
Definitely, Chef.
I love the combination of garlic, fresh herbs, and tomatoes, but garlic has to be very thin, subtle. I can almost see through it. Thyme is one of my favorite herbs, the perfect touch. I love tomato so much that I can't waste any of it. This is the leftover pulp and skin from the tomato water. And silk pad, or a parchment paper, will help me with the process of drying this tomato paste and this tomato pulp. Now, before I turn this into magic powder, I need to let it cool down. Look at this. It's like a million atoms of tomato went into this powder. It goes on everything. Fish, on seafood, on grilled steak, on burgers. Top some popcorn. That is the best movie night you ever had.
It's not too much goat cheese?
No, it's perfect. Okay, it's never too much goat cheese.
Beautiful. Thanks, Chef.
You're welcome. Right?
Definitely needs the powder.
Guys, you should definitely try this. Now, a great tip to keep tomatoes all year round is during peak season to dry to leathery skins and preserve them in jars full herbs, seasoning, and lots of olive oil. The olive oil will prevent the air to touch it and will allow your tomatoes to stay nice and full of flavor. And that's the key, tomatoes all year round.